Hello. Scraps glued over paper. YouTube and Etsy. And I'm Stevie. That's Ashley. And I started doing this. Looks like it has a few little warples with wet glue. And that's a hawk I hear. Not good. The chickens are all out. The babies and everything. Hope they're listening and going and hiding. So I took this paintbrush because I have the tons of them from sales, and I'm using white glue. Well, it's a combination of Elmer's and Floetrol and a lotion or a conditioner of some kind. So I'm just gonna paint over, since I did it first with Fabrifix, and then I put the scissors on it to hold it down because it was bowing up. And I think I'm not going to be able to use this because of the feather. I think it might damage it, so I'll have to figure out if it even needs a closure. Did it trying little different ways to do this because I really have no experience with feathers. I barely have any experience with any of it because I'm a supplier. My Etsy shop is mostly junk journal supplies. I do have collage supplies in there too. So if you do collage stuff, I might have some interesting things like National Geographics. I definitely have those for now until I run out. They're all listed either in my Scraps Glued Over Paper or my Sass in Texas shop. They both have National Geographics in them. And I've got jigsaw puzzles. Ooh, I don't like the way I'm hearing that hawk. But I'm in a video, so I can't just stop and the chickens have got to learn to go hide when there's hawks. One of the hardest predators on baby chicks. That's why they call them chicken hawks. We haven't had any chicks. Oops, that's what I didn't want to do, is get the glue on the metal part. So, I guess that first layer did pretty good though. It seems to be not messing them up. My idea here is to not glue the actual eye of the peacock feather. Don't like it because I got too much glue on it. And I mean, I want quite a bit of glue with this one, and then it's going to have to sit on the shelf and dry for probably days or more here in Arkansas. Out in the woods, down in a hollow with major tree coverage, which makes internet really a challenge. And what am I hearing? Hearing something out the back door there. Not really a door. I basically never use it. It has unfinished staircase to it, but I don't go in and out because I put a screen up. It's a big window screen, so I could have the door open and not have to worry about so many insects getting in. Being on the second floor up here, or attic, or loft, or whatever you want to call it, it definitely attracts bugs at night. Well, actually does during the day too. I have wasps in here a lot if I don't have the proper screening. Yeah, I don't want to go over what I've already done, what's still very wet, too much, because I think that I just muck it up a little. But I want to get a good coat. Not sure yet what I'm going to do with the edges. I don't know. I think I want to wrap them. I don't want to cut them. I don't believe I want to cut them anyway. And let's see if I got it good in coverage. Good enough for now. I probably have to make another coat. And that's for another video. If you have been here with me for this long, we appreciate it. All my links are in the description below. And I hope you will like, subscribe, and share my channel. Scrap scraps glued over paper. See you in the next one.